Hello everyone, my name is Christian Jean and today we're going to explore the following CMD commands. I'm going to explore the first 7 commands and my partner Ian Kim Bobis will be the one to continue with the last 7 commands. Now before we start, let us define what CMD or command prompt is. Command prompt is one of the command line interface programs used to execute commands in Windows operating system before the introduction of a graphical user interface. So basically, CMD is a text-based window for typing commands and receiving text-based output. Now, before we dive in, let's first know how to start a command prompt. Now, there are 2 ways in starting a command prompt. One is to go to the Start button or the Windows button, then type in command prompt. Or you can just press Windows plus R, then type in CMD. Now that we are in, let's first discuss the first command, which is the dir. Now the dir displays a list of files and subdirectories in a directory. You can check here the subfolders here in this specific folder. By using our File Explorer, go to the same path, Users, and there you go. Let's say I wanted to check the subdirectories under music. So we just type in dir, then music. And these are the subdirectories under the music directory. Let's check. Here we go. So let's move on to the next command, which is the cd or the chdir command. Now this command displays the current directory. This is the current directory. Let's say I want to change it to this directory. So just type in cd cmd testing and we change the directory just by simply doing or commanding the cd command. Say I wanted to create a new folder under cmd testing using our command mkdir or mddir. So just type in mkdir, then the name of the folder. Let's type in animals. Now, if you wanted to check if a new folder is added, we are just going to use the dir command. Okay, so let's say I wanted to delete the folder that we created earlier, which is the animals folder. We are going to use the rmdir or the rm command, which deletes a folder. Just type in rmdir, then the name of the folder, which is this. Press enter. Now let's check if it is really deleted by typing dir. As you can see, there is no more animals, so it means that it is deleted. Now let's proceed to the next command, which is the copy command. Now a copy command copies one file to another location. Let's say I want to copy sample1.txt to the testing folder by simply typing in copy sample1.txt or the file name space testing. It says one file is copied. Now let's check using the dir command. Just type in dir space testing. As you can see, the file is being copied. Now let's proceed to the next command, which is the move command. Now the move command moves one file to another directory. Now let's say I want to move the same file, which is the sample1.txt, under the same directory, which is the testing folder. By typing in move space the file name or sample1.txt space or to testing1. Now it says here overwrite the sample1.txt. As we recall earlier, what we did was copy the same file under the same folder, but the difference in the move is that there will be no existing sample1.txt under the CMD testing after it is being moved. Now press yes. Now it says one file is moved. Now let's check if this file still exists under the CMD testing by using dir. As you can see, there is no more sample1.txt. That means it is being moved. The next command we are going to explore is the ren or the rename command, which renames a file. Now, let's say I want to rename the folder testing to testing1 by typing in ren or rename testing space or 2 testing1. Press enter. Now let's check if it really renamed the testing folder by typing in dir. As you can see, it renamed the testing folder to testing1.
Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate on behalf of my partner the other commands in command prompt. Let's start with the del command. Well, del command is a command that deletes a file on a specific folder. I'm going to delete all files on this sample folder, which is on my desktop. As you can see, I have two text files. I'm going to type del and the name of the folder, which is sample, and let's see what happens. As we observe, the text files are now gone and completely deleted. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to close the program by using the exit command. It basically closes the command prompt program. By inputting exit on the display, you can observe what will happen. As you can see, the program is now closed because we typed exit. The next command I'm going to demonstrate is the echo command. What echo command does is it allows you to turn on or off messages in batch scripts. I'm going to demonstrate it by using the command echo. If we type echo, it will tell us either the echo is turned on or off. For now, the echo is active, but we can turn it off by inputting echo off. As you can see, the batch script isn't showed, but still, the output is displayed. Now, I want to read any text file or opening them using command prompt. Type command got you covered. By inputting type and the name of the text file plus .txt, we'll be able to see the content on that text file and will be shown on the display. As shown, we can see the content of the text file hello. Let's say I want to compare two text files, hello text file and the hi text file. I'll be using the fc command which compares the difference between them. I'll be inputting fc in the name of both text files and let's see what the display will be. As shown in the display, both content of the file is displayed. Let's say you find it how messy your display is and you want to get rid of every script. CLS is a command that clears the screen. Type CLS and all the script will be removed in just a second. For more information of all the commands, help command provides more details about CMD commands. Just type help and it will display all the commands and their uses. And that concludes our CMD exploration. Thank you for watching and we hope you enjoyed our demonstration and learned something.